Hey there, I'm Liz Rankin, and if you're watching this, chances are you are ready to break free from the chains of narcissistic abuse. You may feel trapped, confused, and uncertain about what is real. And I'm here to tell you, I've been there too. If you've ever felt like you're questioning your own sanity or doubting your reality, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into one of the most insidious tactics used by narcissistic abuse, which is gaslighting. I'll also be talking about emotional manipulation and how narcissists use these tools to control you. This is not just a video, it's the first step to reclaiming your confidence and your life. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to share how you can start breaking free right now. And trust me, it starts with recognizing these behaviors for what they are. Grab a seat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. If you're new to my channel, Rise and with Liz, I just want to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome. I'm so grateful you're here. And if you're returning, thank you from the bottom of my heart for your ongoing support. Your presence truly means the world to me. I want to take you back to a time when I was in a relationship that left me questioning everything: myself, my reality, even my worth. I was married to someone who constantly twisted my words, manipulated situations, and made me feel like I was always in the wrong. One example that really sticks with me is when I would bring up things that bothered me. He'd say things like, "You're too sensitive," or "You're just overthinking that." Over time, I started second guessing myself. Did I really have reason to be upset? Was I overreacting? That's gaslighting. It's subtle, but it's powerful. It makes you doubt your perception of reality. The more this happened, the more I lost my confidence. I started to believe I wasn't good enough, that I was crazy or too emotional. That's exactly how narcissists break you down. They manipulate your emotions and make you feel like you're the problem, when in reality, it's part of their control. What is gaslighting exactly? Gaslighting is a form of emotional abuse where the abuser makes you question your perception, memory, or your reality. It's like they try to rewrite history in their favor. For example, they might deny things like what they've said or what they've done, making you feel like you're losing your mind. One common tactic is when they tell you something happened in a way that you know it didn't. For instance, if they took credit for something you did, and when you called them out on it, they might say, "You're imagining things that never happened." And because they're so convincing, you might start doubting your own memory. Emotional manipulation, on the other hand, is when the narcissists use your emotions against you. They might guilt trip you, play the victim, or even make you feel like you're responsible for their emotional well being. This is all about control, and it's designed to keep you hooked in a cycle of self doubt and insecurity. If this resonates with you and you're ready to take control of your healing journey, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more empowering content and comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and support you any way I can. Now, let's talk about how to recognize these behaviors so you can start taking back your power. First, if you ever feel like you're constantly second guessing yourself, whether it's about events that happen, conversations you've had, or your feelings, this is a huge red flag. Narcissists love to distort your reality to make you feel like you're the one who's crazy. Another sign is when you're always walking on eggshells. If you're afraid to speak your truth because you're scared of being belittled or dismissed or made to feel wrong, you're dealing with an emotional, manipulative person. The next time you notice yourself questioning your own instincts or feeling unsure about a situation, pause for a moment and ask yourself, is this my truth? Or is someone else's narrative being forced on me? You deserve to trust yourself again. Here's how to start breaking free from this behavior. Recognize the manipulation. The first step is to acknowledge what's happening. Write down examples of gaslighting or emotional manipulation when they occur. Getting it out of your head and onto paper helps you see the situation more clearly. Number two, trust your instinct. Your feelings and intuition are powerful. When something doesn't feel right, listen to your gut feeling. The narcissist will try to tell you that you're wrong, but don't let them erase your reality. Number three, set boundaries. This is a game changer. Once you start recognizing that manipulation, you need to set boundaries and make them firm. Narcissists hate boundaries, so they may try to push back, but you have every right to protect your emotional health. Number four, seek support. You don't have to do this alone. You're not crazy and you're not broken. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, support you, and help you see your worth. Speaking of support, I want to invite you to my free 5-day Empowered Renewal Bootcamp. It's specifically designed to help women like you heal from trauma of narcissistic abuse. Also, rebuild your confidence and reclaim your life. This bootcamp is a safe space where you can learn how to take the first steps toward freedom. You'll also gain access to my women's support group, where I'm offering ongoing support, guidance, and a community of like-minded women who are walking the same path. This was critical in my healing journey, and it's critical for everyone. We need community. The link to join is in the comments below. It's completely free for the 5-day bootcamp. I want to see you there. So let's get back into it. You deserve to be free from the emotional chaos and manipulation. Gaslighting and emotional abuse are absolutely not your fault, and there's nothing wrong with you. But you do have the power to break free. Start by recognizing these tactics, setting boundaries, and seeking support. Don't let another day go by feeling confused or invalidated. You are strong, you are capable, and deserving of a life filled with peace and confidence. Make sure to sign up for my free 5-day Empowered Renewed Bootcamp, and let's begin this healing journey together. Trust me, the best is yet to come. And as always, remember you are not alone. You've got this. Sending so many positive vibes your way. Love you and God bless.